Hello again. This is Rich Waite, your IAME Board of Directors member, testing the Chasing Innovations Gladius Mini. This time I'm at Laurel River Lake at the request of the Laurel County Rescue Squad and Woodbine Rescue Squad. They're investigating a canoe that was found, they've got divers in the water looking to see if someone has fallen overboard from the canoe. Not very good evidence or reports that that's what happened, but we're just looking, and they've invited me to come down and give it a try. I've been telling them about this. Had a lot of trouble keeping the unit connected for some reason. I was trying to use a second phone as a view only, and I don't know if they were tying back and forth or connecting back and forth. Not sure what was going on. Here you can see a screenshot. Still found it's quite a bit easier to use the screenshot mode on the phone or whatever device you're using as a viewer than it is to toggle between video and picture. Also seem to have a lot of luck getting the propellers jammed up today. Realize that you kind of have to throw it out away from the bank if you're working from the shore to get it far enough away from the silt and sand. Once we kind of figured that out, it went a lot better. But there you can see the difference between a screenshot and an actual still shot from the camera. The screenshot's just a little bit easier, and plus it shows you all the data from the app, water temperature, depth, whatnot. It's a real shallow bank, so it was a little tough to keep the drone in line with the depth, trying to go back and forth, but it worked pretty well. Still pretty surprised at the ability of the camera with the onboard headlights. It was an overcast day. Actually seemed to work a lot better for the drone because there was no light pollution from above that caused the water to get murky or kind of give it that turquoise glow. You can see here when I'm not crashing into the bottom, it's a pretty good field of view. Getting the drone at the right angle downwards so that you can stay above the surface and keep moving is a little tough. I did get the joystick switched, and that made a big difference. I've got the forwards and backwards on the left, and the right and left and up and down on the right joystick, and that made maneuvering it a lot easier. There you can see some screenshots at the bottom. There's a dive platform. The clarity here was pretty good, kind of amazing. The video quality, as you can see here, I think I got a little bit of sand into the internal chamber, causing it to ride a little bit sideways. Not too bad to compensate with or compensate for, but still pretty effective. You can see some fish there just a little bit ago in the background, and then I think there'll be another one here shortly. But again, we can with pretty good accuracy say that what we were looking for was not where we were looking. Not always what you're hoping for, but that'll work.